welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you that how can you sign up in Trello. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Google Chrome or your browser, write trello.com and open up your Trello's website. Tap on the first website showing on your screen. After tapping on it, it will take you to Trello's website. After reaching this website, you have to tap on Get Trello for free. After tapping on it, it will take you to this page, and in this page you have to sign up and write your email and then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, it will open another page for you, but also you can sign up with your Google account. So just tap on continue with Google and it will connect your Google account with your Trello account and you can log in or sign up. So this is how you can sign up your Trello account for free. It is a very easy and pretty much simple process. I hope you like the video, and if you do, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this video will help you in any way. By following these steps, you can sign up your Trello account.